Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Raekwon Hardy here. Today, guys, I'm doing a video explaining to you exactly what the $25 one-up system is for people that have been messaging me. We've been talking and chatting, and you're looking to either make some additional income online or you're using to use this tool to add to your primary business and add daily income, residual income streams, or use tools to build your business. All right. So basically, what the $25 one-up system is it's an affiliate marketing company that provides products to help online entrepreneurs be more successful in their business. And so when I talk to people and they say, they're confused about what the products are, we're going to go exactly what some of the products are inside of the $25 one-up system and what you get. So that way you understand exactly what you're getting on each level. As you can see here, we have different levels in the program. We have the gold level, which is $25. We have the platinum level that is $125, and then we have the diamond level that is $250, and then we have the $500 enterprise level and the $1,000 elite level. Okay, so with these levels, you are getting paid instant commissions on these levels. But let's just stick to the products right now so you can understand what exactly you're getting, and then we'll talk about the online opportunity. So I'm going to click over here to the gold products, right? Now, this is one of the best products that you're going to use to actually be able to make income and to get you started, which is you're going to either come in at this level or this level. So we're going to come in at the gold level, for example. We're going to go over there and look at some of the resources that we have. So as you can see, these are some of the products that you're getting on the gold level. You're getting pre-written ads. You're getting a Facebook ad copy cheat sheet. You're getting Facebook groups cheat sheet, which means this is going to be able to help you get free traffic, right? We're going to get you in some of the best Facebook groups on Facebook and give you free traffic for your business, free leads for your business. We're going to give you 50 ways and ideas to promote any business, mindset training, and motivation training. All right. So for example, I'm just going to actually show you a sneak peek of one of these products. All right. So for example, you get your Facebook ad copy cheat sheet. Now, of course, I can't show you guys all of the products because these are things that you would have to purchase in order to be able to get access to, right? And if I just showed them, to everyone, then there'd be no purpose of actually, using the products to promote your business. All right. So this is basically a Facebook ad copy cheat sheet, which is going to show you exactly how to position your ads, understand exactly what order to put your ad copy. That way people can understand exactly what your opportunity or business is all about. So you want to use this blueprint here when creating your ads, when posting your ads on different social media sites. And these are written by some of the best marketers in the industry to help you become more successful in your business. All right. So you can use this simple blueprint here and you plug in your business with each category. So tie text to your visual, which means you're going to copy an image. Your copy and image should individually tell your story, but also complement each other. These are letting you know how you're going to position your blueprint when you make a post about your primary business. All right. And if you don't have a primary business, this shows you how to set your blueprint up to use a $25 one-up system as an income opportunity. All right. So a lot of people get confused and say, well, how can I use this for my business? This is giving you the blueprint right here to include a time frame, to mention price, stick to an action call, keep it short and sweet. These are blueprints so that way you can go and talk about your primary business. Okay. All right. It's really, really simple. It's really, really straight to the point. All right. Next we have over here, which is I'm actually on the platinum level. The platinum level also comes with a lot of video training on social medias. Okay. It comes with Facebook training, YouTube training, Instagram training. All right. So, just going to go through the Instagram training real quick just to kind of browse and show you guys exactly what we're getting here because these are powerful products. And like I said, these are skills that you're going to be able to use for any business. Once you learn these skills, you can be able to take them anywhere online, any opportunity, and to make money. Okay. All right. So here we are inside the Instagram module. So some of the Instagram videos that we're talking about is going to let you know the basics of how to get traffic on Instagram. You're also going to learn a lot about stories and how to utilize stories. You're going to learn about organic traffic and paid traffic. with Instagram to set up your profile, how to optimize your profile to get sales. You're also going to learn about the advanced strategies, hashtag marketing. You're also going to learn how to use affiliate marketing on Instagram, and you're gonna also get some tools in order to be able to be profitable on Instagram, with your business. Okay, so guys, the products are here. Okay, the products are here. The products help people make money, and they help you get tools and skills for your primary business. All right, now, as far as the income side goes, here that, as you can see here, we got, our gold level 25, platinum 100, diamond 250, enterprise 500, and elite 1000. All right, and in each of these levels, you're going to get more and more advanced social media marketing training. You're going to get more and more tools to utilize your business, and not to mention the funnels. Let's go over here to the funnels that you're going to get as well with the company. All right, so if you don't have a marketing system set up for your business, if you don't have a funnel system set up for your primary business, okay, the $25 one-up system comes with made for you sales funnels, okay, that are going to help you be able to generate income online. So a lot of people who come in online, they have to learn how to make a website. They have to learn how to learn about sales funnels. They have to learn about how to get traffic. They got to learn about how to promote on Instagram and Facebook. This is a all-in-one tool house for the beginner marketer to learn how to become a profitable affiliate marketer or network marketer. All right. So if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing and learning how to actually make instant daily payments, this is the program to get. All right. We have tons of sales funnels and landing pages here for you to use. All right. And as you go up and advance into other levels inside of the business, you will actually be able to get the opportunity to customize these. All right. So that's basically what the system is about, guys. If you're looking to get involved with my training group and be able to learn exactly how I use this system to make daily payments, feel free to use the link in the description to go ahead and get signed up on my team today. Once you get signed up, I add you to my training groups. And as far as the people who wanted more information or had questions on what this system is, what do you get with it? These are the products, all right? You're getting the social media training. You're getting landing pages and sales funnels. You're getting ad copy. You're getting Facebook group, targeted Facebook group, free traffic, and you're getting a free blueprint on how to post on social media, all right? So that's it for this video about the $25 one-up system. Go ahead and get back with me on how we can get started, and I'll see you guys on the other side.